Hey guys, welcome back to Vanguard Motor Sales. I'm Greg, and this is the 68 Camaro top go down car. Under that hood is a ZZ430 GM Performance crate motor. And as you can see, this silver has got just about 3 shades darker silver stripes on it, and it looks beautiful. Now, everybody that knows cars knows silver is one of the hardest colors to paint to get it nice and even. The guy that did this car, he knocked it out of the park. It's looking sweet. All the body lines are looking good. The body work itself is looking sweet. I tell you, she is one beautiful car. She's got custom wheels on her. She's got Wilwood brakes all the way around. Look at that black interior. Love those seats, the wood steering wheel, the 5-speed shifter in there, the brand new carpeting. Everything about this car is slick as can be. She is beautiful. We got seat belts in the front, we got seat belts in the rear. We got custom gauges mounted into the stock locations. And wait till you check this baby out under the hood. Now, we've been out driving this car earlier today. She drives like a dream, draws a crowd everywhere she goes. Just absolutely beautiful. It's got the rear spoiler on it. The taillight lenses and the surrounds look like they're brand new. The back bumper looks like it's brand new. Just everything about this car, absolutely gorgeous. Look down that passenger side. You want to talk about straight? This thing is straight as can be. All those body lines looking good. That door's fitting good to the quarter and to the fender and to the rocker. She's just looking beautiful. That trim on the inside, all nice and bright. Just a gorgeous car, guys. Get the top down, go have some fun with your Camaro. Now, guys, first thing we do to every car here at Vanguard is we put them up on the lift and we inspect them and we take our pictures and do our video. That way we can answer all your questions when you call Tom at 248-974-9513. Now, you can check us out on the web at vanguardmotorsales.com. We've always got new inventory coming in. We'll have about 100 pictures of this car in there. And you're watching us on YouTube right now, make sure you subscribe to the channel, hit that bell button so we can send you a notification every time we get a new car in, and make sure you leave us some comments. All right, let's take this badass Camaro for a ride. We got GM Performance up front. We got the top down, a killer paint job, and it's beautiful out for a ride in the convertible. Man, I tell you what, you get thumbs up wherever you go in this baby. She's looking sweet, sounding sweet, driving awesome. And at Vanguard Motor Sales, we can ship this baby anywhere in the world. You just give us a call at 248-974-9513. Tom will go through the whole process with you, just how easy it is to park this dream in your driveway. Doesn't matter where you live in the world. And if you need some help with financing, we can help you out with financing too. Tom can either take care of that on the phone with you, or you can go to our website at vanguardmotorsales.com and you can fill out an app online on our website. Make sure that you subscribe to our YouTube channel and hit that little bell button so you get a notification every time we get a cool car in also. As you can see down here on the dash, in the stock location, there's aftermarket gauges, which are all working and looking sweet. What's so cool about that is they look like they belong there. They did a very nice job. It's got an aftermarket radio in it. Then of course the car does have air conditioning too, but we're using top-down air conditioning right now. It is a beach day today, baby. Head out to the beach and have some fun, your convertible. Now, we'd love to have you come in and check it out in person if you'd like. We're close to the airport if you need to fly in. You can even come in on a Saturday if you'd like. Just make an appointment. We got 2 locations here in Vanguard. We've got our main location, which we're headed to right now, and then a couple miles away, we got a big storage building where we take care of everything there, all climate controlled. Now we're gonna put this baby up in the air like we do every one of our cars at Vanguard. Nobody else puts every car in the air. So stick with us, we're going up in the air right now. All right, we're underneath this beautiful Camaro now, and you can see it's got a new tank. You can see the paintwork right down to the bottom edge of the rear valance looks good. And look at this, they put a big old Curry 9-inch Ford rear end in this baby. This thing's got 373 gear, and of course it is posi. Look at these big, heavy-duty brackets here also. Looks like those spring packs are rebuilt. Looks like the shocks are new. It's got brand new Wilwood brakes. It's got Borla mufflers. Yeah, that's what they call them, mufflers, right? They put band clamps here, so if you want to take them apart, you can. All TIG welded together, stainless steel, all tucked up in there nice. We got with Dynotech drive shafts, brand new drive shaft. Looks like the parking brake cables are brand new. Real good looking frame ties here. Now it's stock frame back here. The floors look amazing, just beautiful. And you see how they got everything welded in, looking good. And then the whole front frame section, this is all custom right here. This is aftermarket stuff, looking good. Tremec TKO 600 trans. We do have an explosion-proof bell housing. We do have a high torque starter. We do have a regular Z-bar clutch here. Up front here, it's got a Mustang 2 style front suspension on this custom frame. You can see that this whole frame box is all custom made. Tubular upper and lower control arms, coilovers holding it up. Big Wilwood brakes up front here stopping it. We got power rack and pinion here, and man, look at those brackets. Man, those things look sharp. Everything under here is looking good. And you can see how nice and clean the bottom side of this ZZ 430 motor is. Those custom motor mounts too, looking sweet. Look at that big old piece of billet aluminum there for the motor mount. Doesn't that look sweet? Man, look at that frame. Look at those TIG welds right there. Looking beautiful. Talking about TIG welds, look at the TIG welds on the aluminum radiator. I mean, everything about this car just looking beautiful. We got Boyd Coddington wheels. These are 17s. We got 2 55/45 17s up front. And again, look at the paintwork right down to the bottom edge, looking good. We do have a little bit area here. It looks like the paint came off. That can be easily touched up. The pinch weld here looks good. And right here, this is the proportioning valve for the back brakes. So if you want to turn down the pressure, you can. I told you about the drilled and slotted disc brakes out back. Out back here on the tire size, 2 55/45 17s. And again, right down to the bottom edge. And they snuck the exhaust out right here, which is very cool. Can't even see it, man. That is so sweet. Let's get under the hood. All right, under the hood here, we got that ZZ 430 GM Performance motor. It's got the GM Performance intake on it. There's a 4-barrel sitting on top. Looks like it's electric choke. Looks like it's Holley. Looks like it's dual feed. Looks like it's manual secondaries. We do have the GM drive on the front too with the GM late model AC compressor. You can see that aluminum radiator we were talking. Here's the Howell Racing equipment there. We've got an electric fan there. We got Wilwood brakes with a power booster, so it is power brakes, and you can see that power steering pump down there too. You can also see that custom frame and those adjustable upper control arms. It says Chassis Works there, so that frame's Chassis Works. The firewall's been all shaved down real nice, and then see how they run the AC hoses up and underneath the front fender so you don't have to look at them, and the heater hoses. Everything, they use these shrink wrap. That's so cool. You don't put a clamp on there. That's heat shrink. You put it on there, put a heat gun on it, and it shrinks down, clamps it down. It's got an HEI distributor. I mean, everything about this car is cool, guys. She's beautiful. The top goes down, GM Performance motor, 5-speed, custom suspension. You're gonna love it. Give us a call, 248-974-9513. Let Vanguard Motor Sales park this dream in your driveway.